Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There is a wave of divestment from Nigeria, and it has continued. BlackRock is about to exit from Nigeria with over $400 million investment. Now, BlackRock, the world's largest asset managers, announced that it will liquidate its iShares exchange traded fund, ETFs, worth $400 million over unprofitable business environment in Nigeria and Kenya, particularly the challenge of currency repatriation worsened by Naira devaluation. iShares Frontiers, which invested millions of dollars in emerging markets in Nigeria and Kenya over the years, fixed its last trading day for March 31st, 2025, when the extended liquidation is anticipated to be concluded. The planned exit of BlackRock's iShares was another dent in Nigeria's economic scorecard, as the one-year-old President Bola Ahmed Tinubu grappled with the consequences of his so-called economic reforms. Now, BlackRock has joined the long list of multinational companies that have exited from Nigeria since President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was sworn in as Nigeria's president on May 29, 2023. Other companies that have left Nigeria include Procter & Gamble, GlaxoSmithKline, Equino, Unilever, Sanofi, Bolt Food, Juma Food, 54 Gini, Ambisco Major Biscuit Company Limited, among others. But the biggest so far in terms of the impact it's going to have around the world is the exit of BlackRock from Nigeria. It is going to be the most consequential, that is going to ensure that the economy of Nigeria is really in a shape that the world is scared of coming to Nigeria to put money there. And all because our leaders have not done the right thing. Now, for you to understand what we need to, let us look at who is BlackRock, so that you'll be able to understand the impact of BlackRock in the world economy, and you now see the implication of BlackRock leaving Nigeria. Now, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, with United States dollars worth of 8.59 trillion naira in trillion dollars, 8.59 trillion dollars, almost $9 trillion in asset under management as of December 31st, 2022. Now, this means that BlackRock owns or manages a significant share of many companies, including some of the biggest and most influential ones in various sectors and industries. Now, BlackRock's influence is so much that conspiracy theorists claim that it controls the world. And the reason why conspiracy theorists are saying that it's not far-fetched, but I don't believe in conspiracy theory. I'm talking about facts. Now, this is because of the companies that is controlling the highest shares in them. BlackRock is the largest shareholder of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Tesla. It also owns part of CNN and Fox News, meaning that it can unilaterally influence bipartisan information flow, even in America. Of course, an American company. Now, BlackRock also provides risk and advisory services to governments and institutions, and has access to a lot of data and information through its Aladdin software platform. Aladdin is a software that can track and analyze trading and monitor a whopping 18 trillion US dollars in assets for 200 influential firms that even the Federal Reserve, that is the American Central Bank, and the European Central Bank uses it, the Aladdin platform. Now, this gives BlackRock a unique insight into the financial market and the global economy, as well as a potential advantage over its competitors and the regulators. So that shows you the importance of this company that has exited from Nigeria with its $400 million investment. Now, what are the implications for Nigerian economy? What is the implication? Now, BlackRock's decision to pull out sends a negative signal to the global investment community. It suggests concern over Nigeria's economic stability, regulatory environment, or political climate, potentially deterring other foreign investors from coming to Nigeria. Because when you hear that BlackRock has left, and you know what BlackRock represents in the world, even you with your own small investment will think twice before coming to that country that BlackRock is running away from to come and put your money. You know that the risk is high. Now let us continue about the risks that I'm talking about, the risk perception. Now, increased perception of risk could lead to higher risk premiums for investments in Nigeria, making it more expensive for the country to attract capital. Another consequences of BlackRock exiting from Nigeria is that a large exit like this could trigger further capital outflows as other investors might follow suit. Exactly, that's what is happening, because they are fearing similar risk. Because these guys are running away from a risk they can't manage in Nigeria. So everybody else is watching them. Now, another issue that is going to cause is about the currency depreciation. Now, significant outflow of foreign capital can put pressure on the Nigerian Naira, leading to depreciation. This will make import more expensive and could exacerbate inflationary pressures. Of course, we know this is already happening following the exit of other multinational before the BlackRocks came in to join them. Now, it will also affect Nigerian stock market. The withdrawal of BlackRock could cause increase in volatility in the Nigerian stock market, as the iShares liquidation might lead to significant sell-off of Nigerian equity. The exit could also lower market capitalization and liquidity, and making the Nigerian stock market less attractive to both domestic and foreign investors. It is also believed that the exit of BlackRock is going to affect the economic growth outlook of Nigeria, because according to the expert, reduced foreign investment can slow down economic growth as capital for new projects, infrastructure, and business expansion become scarcer for those who want to expand their businesses. And then there are certain sectors that it is believed that are going to pay the price for this exit, because when foreign investors are wary of a country, there are certain companies that depend on foreign investors. such companies like sectors like the banking sector, the telecommunication sector, the manufacturing sector, they might have problem in funding, getting funds from abroad as loan. So they are going to face funding shortfall and operational challenges. Now, these are some of the challenges that Nigerian economy face because of the so-called economic reforms that was embarked on by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Interestingly, you can see that the depreciation of the economy, the depreciation of Nigerian currency is one of the reasons several of these companies are moving. Meanwhile, it was the World Bank and the IMF that told Bola Ahmed Tinubu, or he is following their principle in the depreciation of the Naira. They say it's a good thing for Nigeria. Let the Naira be depreciated. Let it be floated. Let demand and supply determine its value. But look at the result. Exit of multinational companies from Nigeria. But the biggest that going to have the worst impact in Nigeria is BlackRock, because BlackRock is #1 asset manager in the world with over close to $9 trillion assets, controlling whatever you think matters in the world of telecommunication, of science and tech, and what have you, from Facebook to Google to Microsoft. These people are in charge. When these people take away the investment of $400 million they put in your country because they can no longer do business in your country, the business environment is not conducive. As BlackRock said, that the business environment in Nigeria is no longer conducive for them to do business in Nigeria. You know there's trouble. But that is where Nigeria is under the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.